Hello everyone, today we'll be seeing what to do when your Toshiba TV won't turning on. So for this, what you can do is just first and foremost, fix number one is just turn off and turn on your TV again. Just after 30 seconds, just turn it on again. It is basically a hard reset. It should resolve the issue. Fix number two is just removing each and every peripheral devices connecting to your TV and then turn it off and try to start it again. Sometimes it's because of the peripheral devices you have connected. Uh, in there is some problem which is affecting your TV and it's not turning on. So you can try this. Fix number three is just contacting to the customer support service, telling them your problem, and then they can further tell you what. Thank you. Hope you like the information. Thanks for watching.